It was my first ever kissing scene po talaga. So admittedly, I was just very, very nervous. I was very scared. Being completely honest, I'm sure it was great, but I was so numb. I was not there. Yung kaluluwa ko wasn't really in the moment because I was just kinakabahan talaga. But I'm also very lucky because si Direk, talagang kinausap niya kami, he would remind us, he would tell us about the shots, kailan lang namin need gawin. Sobrang maalaga talaga si Direk. Everything had consent, everything was, we talked about each and every step, everything was consensual, yes. And I'm also very lucky kasi my first kissing scene, it was with such a great guy, which is si JC, na very, maalaga siya. I think,
Daming re-react sa likod.
so sabi mo nga, okay, this is, parang, ito yung will ni Lord. Umabot na ako kay Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, ito talaga yung first. Bibigay ko talaga lahat-lahat dito sa Miss Behave. So go, gawin na natin to. Kaya perfect din na si JC kasi he was such a very gentle partner, very hands-on din siya, very maalaga. So, I feel like it went well naman. But again, I was so out of it. I'm sure it was good. Again, I was so out of it. Ikaw sumagot. Parang dapat siya yung sumagot.
Yan na nga, siguro